I did not expect to see. Oh my god. Alright guys, welcome back to Herat. We are currently about to go inside a glass making factory or shed. So it's a very small one, run and operated by a single man and his two sons. So we're going to go in, check it out, see what it's like. This is where they make vases and all that other nice stuff. So it's 1200 degrees in here, so it's hot. Can I tell you how much it smells like barbecue sauce in here?
Oh,
What's he holding? What's he doing?
he's just warming the glass and he's making like a vase.
What's he doing with his?
He's just holding the top for the
okay.
float the way.
How long has he been? Do you know how long he's been doing this for?
What is it? Mega chance all mission car making 45 years.
Jeez. In this room as well?
Mega minja car making the other car. He worked in his house before. Just in front of the Friday mosque that we visited.
And how long from nothing to finish one of those?
Mega وقتی شروع میکنی بس ختم میکنی چند دقیقه وقت میگیره میگه عمو گلدان around 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
Yeah.
Surprising. And how many does he make per day?
میگه روز چند تا جور میکنه آجی سر 40 or
50.
sometimes 60.
It's good going. Incredibly hard work, incredibly sore work I would imagine as well. There you go, you can see the shape of it.
Yeah.
You know, you'd never consider that this is what's involved in making day-to-day products. You know, this is something we use multiple times a day.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh yeah. This side?
Yeah.
Oh yes, here we go. Wow. And what's he putting again? Why is it going in there? Why?
He is putting the made ones in it because it is warm and it should warm for 18 hours.
So he keeps it in there for 18 hours?
Yeah.
Almost a day?
If he puts it outside, it will be broken.
Ah, okay. Incredible. Yeah, right. It's hot. Is it all recycled glass as well?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like this.
Alright, okay, so they pick it up off the streets or recycle it from wherever. Can I explain how much it smells of barbecue sauce? I don't know why, I don't know, it's melted glass smell like barbecue sauce, I don't know. Smoky barbecue sauce. But there we go, that was quite interesting. Imagine working in there for 7, 8, 9, 10 hours a day, whatever it is. 1200 degree oven right in front of you. But now we're going to go to, I think it's a seed oil factory. I'll look around there and then, yes, continue our way around the beautiful city of Herat. Alright guys, next on the agenda here in Herat is a sesame oil factory. We are just outside, this is it, believe it or not, part of the old citadel. You're about to see something that you will never have expected to see. It is, let's see, come on, have a look. I did not expect to see Oh my god. This camel just goes in circles all day?
Yeah, all day.
Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Oh, I see how the whole operation works. So it's really just stirring it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so strong. So many chemicals. It's a pretty impressive piece of engineering. I'm not sure whether I approve or not, but it's not really up to me. What do you think?
Yeah, it is elementary factory.
No, that's one way to put it. This is incredible, just to make sesame oil. This is why machines are made. You know, but of course this is Afghanistan. Oh, so it's torture. Literally torture. How many hours does the camel work, you know, during the day, and just to get an idea?
That's all. Har roz. 10 hours each day.
What? So long day? And it doesn't stop going round and round?
The church stop stop. They stop it for 30 minutes after each 2 hour running walking.
2 hours, 30 minutes off. And why doesn't the camel stop?
Because he used to walk like that, and it thinks that they were just following him, you know.
Ah, okay. And how many litres of sesame oil does this camel make in 10 hours?
That's all the
20 kilos? How much would 20 kilos cost to buy in a shop?
This kilo 20 kilo is 8,000. It's like $90.
Okay. Yeah, so it won't take them that long to... He was stomping on the sesame seeds, wasn't he? He was walking on them?
Yeah.
What does that do?
He was just cleaning it from the hay and from anything in the This fan is not for cooling them, it is just for cleaning it.
Oh, really?
When you do it, the seeds go there and the hay just go away.
Ah. That's
And also
interesting.
the dust just goes away.
Yeah. Jeez, fucking long ass day. Unbelievable. Don't like to say this, but that's the culture. You can still hear the camel working away. How much does the sesame seeds cost? 100 Afghanis for a kilo. What's $1 for? Just over $1 for a kilo. Only. What do you think about the camel?
The camel,
Because this is your culture, this is your country. It's different for you than it is for me.
yes, you know that in our province there is no camel. It's,
Yeah.
Sometimes I see this kind of animal, but it was amazing for me
Yeah.
because it was very big and different from.
But what do you think of the way the animal is? You know, you accept this. This is okay for you.
No, for me,
Ah, okay,
it's
yeah.
not. The animal should be free.
You don't get this in Bamiyan, no? Where you're from?
I'm from Bosnia.
Yeah, but you don't get this in Bamiyan?
No.
No, yeah. Oh, fucking unbelievable. I suppose on the plus side, it only has to endure about, I think, 12 months of it. And then it gets sent to the butchers. Personally, I think I prefer to get sent to the butchers. Straight to the butchers. But 12 months of that is horrendous. But yes, I think we're going to go for a walk around the bazaar of Herat and see if we can talk to a few more locals, probably have some more chai before we round off the Afghan series. So we've just stopped at a bridge, the Mulan Bridge, 900 years old, 22 of these incredible arches. This is the bridge that would have brought the traders, the buyers, the sellers of the Silk Road heading towards the caravansaries to sell and buy goods. From this way, which takes you to Kandahar and Helmand and the rest of Afghanistan, into here, which would have been obviously modern day Herat. It seems like so much has happened in Afghanistan, especially in Herat, along the 11th and 12th century. Not to forget, obviously, Genghis Khan. This is another fine example of architecture and how far Afghanistan was ahead of its time. You just see this. You see so many things. It's easy to, make up your mind about Afghanistan and where it gets its reputation from, about being war-torn and the so-called graveyard of empires. But when you see things like this at every corner, it doesn't take a genius to wonder why so many empires wanted to take control. So, welcome to Herat. We are, as you can tell, we're in the middle of absolute fucking chaos. The sounds is unbelievable. We'll go for a walk around the bazaar, see what we can find, see if we can talk to a few locals, maybe buy a bit of food. And then, yes, let's have a dander around Herat. We're currently standing on top of an old Soviet tank, maybe from the 1960s, probably 1970s, 1980s, which is still in pretty good nick. You have obviously the cannon, you have the gun mount, you maybe where the driver would have been. Where else do you get this apart from Afghanistan? Sitting on top of a tank in the middle of a roundabout, ready to have a walk around a bazaar. Incredible. You can imagine sitting on top of that tank, 1980s during the Soviet War. It's not too much disrepair, it's actually very surprising. You know, there's not much wrong with it. What a monument for Afghanistan, to show the people, to show the locals, to show, I suppose, foreigners like myself as well that this is what fucking happens, you know. Looks like he's about to play the piano. So what's he making?
It is a scarf
It's a scarf?
for the winter.
Jeez,
It is
looks
like this scarf. See?
looks like more like a blanket. Oh, right, okay, very nice. That is nice.
So,
So how long does it take to weave one scarf?
Duruz.
2 days. And a scarf would cost?
3,000.
Oh, right, so it's not cheap. All right, okay.
Yeah.
And he'd be sitting on this machine for how long every day?
He has to sit here and work till the evening for 2 days to make a scarf.
So it's 2 full days and he'll sit here for.
Yeah.
How much would a machine like this cost?
20,000 Afghans.
20,000 Afghans. How old is this machine then?
این ماشین چقدر میگه استفاده میکنه ازش چقدر میشه چقدر کنه است؟
این تقریبا 5 سال میشه کار میکنه.
5 years.
Oh, right, okay, so it's not that old.
It's not
You can kind of see how it's been put together. Yeah, even the wood. It's all probably homemade. So these are the weights then that keep the fabric tight.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
This is the cover market.
The turf is not finished.
Working here. It might be interesting for you.
Oh, walk in? Jeez, okay. Salam.
Salam.
Where do we go?
Finish.
Oh, this is it. He's just showing us in the room.
Yeah, only the
Ah, okay.
the lobby.
Oh, so this is where he stores stuff, or what's this?
Yeah.
I thought he was showing us the crack then.
Where's the chance for me to come on your
Be here for a while.
In the past, people slept here and just cooked here.
Ah, so this is an old home. Right. Yeah. So this is their kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has a chimney.
This guy's just telling me to take photos of. I don't know what he's trying to tell me to take a photo of, but yeah, if I stand with the camera, just make sure he can see me. Yep. Snap. Salam. A nice little place. 400 years old. This building, this caravanserai, where traders, you'd imagine the traders would have come here, maybe rented a shop for a couple of days before travelling on through the Silk Road. Well, you know, how many would he sell these in a year?
Mega salona از چند تا خود فروختی؟ Around 70 or 80 each year.
It's not bad, so just over 1 a week.
Yeah.
How long has he been working here for?
Orası mega چقدر وقت میشه اینجا کار میکنی؟ Now he is 63 years old. He started working with his father in this shop.
Yeah.
50 years that he is working as a shopkeeper here.
So his father used to have this shop?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Okay. What do you think, It's good? How are you? Let's see. How are you?
You look like Karzai.
Oh, let me see, There we go. What?
Karzai,
Karzai, who's
the
that?
first president of Afghanistan after occupation.
Yes. Is he not dead?
No, he is alive now.
Oh, okay. There we go. What do you think? We look good?
Yeah, you look perfect.
Maybe I stay in Afghanistan now.
You need a turban. Okay, now this is this one.
Okay, I'm being mummified here. Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Amito Mera.
No. I'll tell you what, that was an experience. We haven't even started our little walk around the bazaar yet, and this guy dragged us into the shops. Absolutely fantastic. Guys, I cannot give you an introduction. I have no idea where we are. We're in the middle of absolute nowhere. But Muhammad John's going to give us I don't know. In fact, what are you going to do?
Here is a holy place.
Yes.
And anyone sleep here and take his hands like this and close the eyes and roll yourself once, then it will roll you till over there, sometimes here, sometimes over there. I just tried like 4 or 5 times. It rolls me like this.
Okay, I don't believe. Okay. Oh, sorry. Right, the kid's going to fucking push you.
يقدر افيد ما يدمن ما فيد لا مو بندق نيني تبغى بلاش يقدر
I have no idea. This guy's coming in behind us saying weird stuff. Say, you did? You rolled quite a bit. That must have been 1, 2, 3, 7 or 8 times. I kind of feel as if I have to play the game as well. I'm going to have to fucking roll. Alright, you're nearly in Kabul. You've almost reached Kabul. Come back. Fuck's sake. Okay, we're going to go here.
Bismillah.
Dizzy. There we go. It works. It works. Definitely works. Definitely works. Oh. It's going the other way. I have no idea what's going on here, but it's fucking hilarious. Oh, oof. Hold it. Do this. Salam.
سلام
No, no.
ما اسمه محمد جان ولاية هرات ما اسم اینجا گابی آمدم اینجا مستری هستم اینا صبح میرم رختاخ بدل میکنم با رختای مستری کانه خود میپشم
تو کنه از این کالای کار است دیگه کالای خوبش هم داره نه
خوبش هم داره
کالای خوبش داره he has nice clothes
Yes.
but this
Very
is
nice.
work
Tashikar, well done. Okay, we've got someone else. It's a bit like a spectator, it's like a stadium here, you know? Just sit here and watch whoever it is going to arrive, go for the next go. Let's see how many rolls this guy gets. Yes, he's going to roll, I'm going to roll. Oh, shit. Jesus. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Well done. Just as well you stopped him. You know, he'd be far, far away there. God knows where he would have ended up. Right, Muhammad John, you've obviously made me listen to a lot of Afghani music, or Afghan music.
Yeah.
Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Do you want to hear a bit of music from my part of the world?
Yeah.
Okay, he's ready?
Yes. You're celebrating the last day of our
Music is good. Music is life. Music is love.
music is not haram.
Yes, music is not haram. Yeah, you need a wee bit more than just.
Killing a human is haram.
Yes, correct. So that's a bit of. I'm actually not a big follower of music. Just sometimes I normally listen to podcasts, but I'm trying to think. A little bit of everything apart from classical, blues, country. Yeah, that's about it. A bit of dance, a bit of R&B, a bit of hip hop.